Question number 20, first part. The monthly pocket money of Rabi and Sanjeev are in the ratio 5:7. Their expenditures are in the ratio 3:5. If each saves rupees 80 every month, find their monthly pocket money. Let the monthly pocket money of Rabi and Sanjeev be 5x and 7x respectively, and their expenditure expenditures be 3y and 5y respectively. Rabi's saving is equal to 5x minus 3y and Sanjeev's saving equal to 7x minus 5y. According to question, if each saves rupees 80, 5x minus 3y is equal to 80 and 7x minus 5y is equal to 80. It's equation first and equation second. From equation first and second, first is equal to second. 5x minus 3y is equal to 7x minus 5y. We are shifting 5x minus 7x is equal to minus 5y plus 3y. Minus 7x plus 5x, that is equal to, which implies this is minus 2x, and minus 5y plus 3y, this will be minus 2y. Minus 2 is cancelled and we get x is equal to y. And find their monthly pocket money. We are putting y is equal to x or x is equal to y in y is equal to x in first. 5x minus 3x is equal to 80, which implies 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x, and 80 implies by x is equal to 80 divided by 2, that is 40. X is equal to 40. So Ravi's monthly pocket money is equal to 5x. That is 5 into value of x is 40, that is equal to rupees 200. And Sanjeev's monthly pocket money is equal to 7 multiplied by 40, that is equal to rupees 280. Answer. Let the monthly pocket money of Rabi and Sanjeev be 5x and 7x respectively, and their expenditures be 3y and 5y respectively. Ravi's saving is equal to 5x minus 3y, and Sanjeev's saving is equal to 7x minus 5y. According to question, if each saves rupees 80 every month, 5x minus 3y is equal to 80, 7x minus 5y is equal to 80. It's equation number second. From equation number first and second, 5x minus 3y is equal to 7x minus 5y. Shifting 7x left side, this will be negative, and 3y shifting right side, this will be positive. Minus 7x plus 5x is equal to minus 2x, and minus 5y plus 3y is equal to minus 2y. Minus 2 is cancel, x is equal to y, and we are putting y is equal to x or x is equal to y in equation first. Y is equal to x, this will be 3x, and 5x minus 3x is 80. 5x minus 3x, that is 2x, is equal to 80, and x is equal to 80 upon 2, that is equal to 40. We get the value of x is equal to 40, and Ravi's monthly pocket money is equal to 5x, and value of x is 40. 40 multiplied by 5 is equal to 200 rupees. Ravi's monthly pocket money is 200 rupees, and Sanjeev's monthly pocket money is equal to 7x. 7 multiplied by 40, that is equal to 280 rupees. Answer. Question number 20, second part. In class 10th of a school, the ratio of number of boys to that of girls is 4:3. If there were 20 more boys and 12 less girls, then the ratio would have been 2:1. How many students were there in class? Let the number of students in class is equal to x. Their ratio is equal to 4:3. Sum of ratios is equal to 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7. Sum is equal to 7. Number of boys is equal to, that is 4x upon 7, and number of girls is equal to 3x upon 7. According to question, four x upon 7 plus 20 upon 3x upon 7 minus 12 is equal to 2:1, which implies 7 multiplied by 20, 7 multiplied by 12. 4x plus 140 divided by 7 and 3x minus 84 divided by 7 is equal to 2 upon 1. 7 is cancelled, and 4x plus 140 is equal to 2 into 3x minus 84, which implies 4x plus 140 is equal to 3 2s are 6x minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and we are shifting 168 left side and 4x right side. 140 plus 168 is equal to 6x minus 4x, which implies 8, 6 plus 4, 10, 2 plus 1, 3 is equal to 2x. X is equal to 308 divided by 2. That is 2 1s are 2, 154 2s are 308, which implies x is equal to 154. So number of students in class is equal to 154. Answer: let the number of students in class is equal to x and their ratios is 4:3, and sum of ratios is equal to 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7. Number of boys is equal to 4x upon 7. Number of girls is equal to 3x upon 7. According to question, 4x upon 7, 20 more boys and 12 less girls, plus 20 divided by 3x upon 7 minus 12. 27s are 140 and LCM is 7. 12 7s are 84, LCM is 7. 7 is cancelled, and we get 4x plus 140 is equal to 2 times of 3x minus 84. 2 multiplied by 3x, that is equal to 6x, and 2 multiplied by 84, that is equal to 168. We are shifting 168 in left side, this will be positive, and 140 plus 168, that is equal to 308. And we are shifting 4x in right side, this will be negative, and 6x minus 4x, that will be 2x, and 2x is equal to 308. So x is equal to 308 divided by 2, which is completely divisible by 154. And we get the value of x is equal to 154. So the number of students in class is equal to 154. Answer. Thank you.